Group 45. First of all, imagine that you're outside in the park. It's lots of sun, you are with some friends, and you want to make some active, but you actually figure out you can't do anything on the playground. So what could you do out there actually? Well, it's Sunday, so you can't go over and buy a ball from the shops. You are far away from home, so that's not an option. So we were thinking about, everyone knows what a vending machine is. It's quite common. What our idea is that if you make a vending machine near the parks and put some ball equipment or other stuff that you can make some active at park areas or similar. They should contain the most basic. Of course, it could be whether it's a tennis court place or a stadium or what it is. But it should contain at least football, sunscreen, frisbee, raincoats, since it's the most basic thing that you could use outside if you want to make some active. And also another thing that it should also be some make you more active by giving you some ideas for something you can do. So we actually think about, even though you buy something for the vending machine, you will get a recipe. And on the back side of it, you will get some games advices you could do. Okay, our idea is that move the need to the crowd or crowd to the need. So we got an idea for a fixed machine that's placed in parks, stadiums, etc. Or it could be a portable one. You could place on beach, on some parties, etc. We got some ideas of how that might look like. Here is we got from the park, and lastly the portable. These are the views. And of course, this one is supposed to be you can take from events and back again.
Yeah, and the strategy with the agreement with the municipality was that we should have the allowance from them to put up these Sportomatics, and our company would take care of the maintenance and the refilling of the Sportomatics. And for startup capital, we would perhaps ask a venture capitalist, bank loans with a perfect business model, and also product sponsors, because our balls could have a company sponsors on them, so they will pay some of the costs. And if it would be a success with the 4 startup machines we will try out with, then we will heavily expand in the location we think would be profitable. And also we thought about the law for the vending machines, the law of public roads, where you have to ask the municipality, and also the buying law, which said that the right of cancellation does not apply. And perhaps a hotline if something goes wrong with the vending machine. Yeah, and the assumption of our business model, you can see some of the numbers up here. We said that there was 4 machines in the pilot project, and approximately 125,000 with a penetration rate of 1%. And half of the price would be sponsored by the companies with the brand logo on the equipment. And then we made a net present value for this pilot project, where you can see that the 4 vending machine would cost an initial investment of 220,000, and we get a cash flow of 108,000 every year. And if in 6 months we could see that it goes very well, then we'll perhaps expand before the 3-year period. And the payback period without the interest was 2 years, and the net present value with a discount rate of 10% was 44,000. And the social benefits from this could be that you could be more active in the park with your friends, and if your equipment you wouldn't take it with you at home, then we could recycle it, put it in the back of the Sportomatic, and perhaps give it to charity or recycle it or use it again for used equipment in the Sportomatic. And of course, the health, the care of being more active is giving itself. Yeah, that's it.